Welcome to Purposefully AI, where smart tools meet smart income. Today, we're diving into AI side hustles that genuinely don't feel like work. If you've ever started a side hustle and quit because it felt exhausting, you're not lazy. You were simply using the wrong model. Most side hustles fail for one simple reason. They feel exactly like a second job, leading to more hours, more stress, and inevitable burnout. But what if I could remove the hardest parts entirely? We're focusing on AI-powered side hustles designed to be light, repeatable, and sustainable. The first side hustle barely feels like work because the content already exists, reformatting existing content. Businesses and creators already have plenty of long-form content like blogs, podcasts, and YouTube videos. They just don't want to convert it into short clips. The workflow is simple. Paste existing content into ChatGPT, ask for short-form scripts, and drop those into a video tool like Pictory or CapCut to export shorts or reels. You are not creating from scratch. You are simply reformatting. This removes the need for brainstorming, filming, or advanced editing skills. People pay $25 to $100 per batch, making this a highly repeatable system. The second side hustle feels like work only once, and then not at all: digital product creation. AI allows you to create simple digital products like Notion planners, resume templates, social media caption packs, and email sequences with minimal effort. You ask ChatGPT to structure the content, polish it up in a tool like Canva or Notion, and then upload it to a marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad. There are no clients, no deadlines, and no follow-ups. You build it once, and AI helps you sell it over and over again. This is the closest thing to low-effort passive income available right now. The third side hustle is AI-assisted freelancing, which is freelancing without the mental load. Instead of being the expert, you become the operator. You offer services like product descriptions, social captions, email writing, or video scripts. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You simply review, personalize, and deliver. This removes the blank page stress and creative burnout. Revisions take seconds instead of hours. Clients don't care how the work is made. They care that it's fast, clean, and effective. That's why AI-assisted freelancers scale faster. These three side hustles share the same secret to sustainability and success. You're not trading time for money. You are setting up systems. That is the critical difference between a side hustle you abandon and one you actually stick with. AI removes creative fatigue, decision fatigue, and repetitive effort. What's left for you is light supervision, not labor. If you want to start today, keep it simple. Pick one hustle, choose one AI tool, and build one basic workflow. Momentum beats perfection every time. If this video helped shift how you think about work and income, subscribe to Purposefully AI. Check the link below for the free AI Money Starter Kit to begin your first easy AI side hustle today.